Can states ban transgender girls from girls' sports team? The Supreme Court just said yes. I'm Dr. Chris Thomas, a co-host of Chalk and Gavel. We unpack the entire decision in episode 74, but here's the 60-second version. First, this opinion is all about sports. Justice Kavanaugh repeatedly emphasizes the unique characteristics of athletics, competition, physical differences, competitive fairness. And if you remember anything about Justice Kavanaugh's confirmations hearings, you know he likes beer and sports. If this decision is about anything other than sports, I think it would be a very different opinion. Second, this is a may decision, not a must decision. So the courts said that states may separate athletic teams based on biological sex. It didn't say that every state has to do this, and it didn't decide whether states may instead allow transgender girls to compete on girls' teams. Those cases, importantly, are still working their way through the lower courts. Third, despite the headlines, this is actually a fairly narrow ruling. So the court interpreted Title IX's reference to sex to mean biological sex, and that could be a big deal. But it didn't decide whether or not Title IX prohibits discrimination against transgender people more generally, and it left major equal protection questions like what standard to apply for LGBTQ plus discrimination for another day. That's another opportunity that the court left those questions unanswered. We obviously go much deeper into what this means and what questions are still unanswered in episode 74 of Chalk and Gavel, so check it out